Question 17. Now it's very helpful if you can just look at this and see this is going to be one of these sad face answers. It's an x squared, so it's either going to be a happy face or a sad face, but because it's minus x squared, it's going to be a sad face. So we're going to fill in the table, but we're going to be on the lookout for any symmetry which can help us pattern spot and make filling in the numbers simpler. So always start off with 0 and 1. So let's substitute 0 into our machine. So when x is 0, what is our y value? Well, 4 minus 0 squared is 4 minus 0 is 4. So pop that 4 in. Does that help us pattern spot? No, it doesn't, because that 4 doesn't crop up anywhere else. So now let's have a go when x is 1. So 1 is going to be substituted in here. 4 take away 1 squared, in other words 4 take away 1 is 3. Now that does help us because we've now spotted a pattern. Okay, so if you imagine just dropping a pebble into the pond here, the ripple effect going out, we can see that this value, that 3 matches up with that 3. So this value here is going to match up with here, so we can just fill in that 0 by pattern spotting. Equally, this minus 5 comes over here. Now, of course, you could have worked these values out by substituting minus 2 and 3 into our formula. That's fine, but it just speeds things up and it makes it a bit easier, I think, if you can be looking out for the symmetry. So plot your points. You knew you were going to be getting a sad face. Just make sure you do a nice gentle curve and don't ever make it flat at the top. In some cases the temptation is to almost make it look like a vase or an upside down vase. Just keep it curvy all the way around.